So whoever had the bright idea of putting a light switch outside the bathroom didn't have a 3.5-year-old, because every time I'm in the bathroom, Lennon likes to come over here and turn the light off. I was in the shower and he just came over here and turned the light off. I'm like, oh, it's like, hey, Lulu! Lulu!
They don't know who Lulu is.
Lulu's Haley. Lulu is Haley. That's her nickname, Lulu. And another reason we picked this hotel is because it has a pool. Well, when we checked in, the lady goes, well, the pool is out of order. We had some technical difficulties, I guess you would say, about an hour ago, so they had to drain the pool. So we can't go swimming. So the pool is on the 3rd floor. So when we came in the lobby after dinner last night, you could see like water, drips of water coming through the ceiling in the lobby, and they had these cones, these caution cones, this sort of area blocked off where I guess the water was dripping. So I guess the pool was leaking into the lobby. Like that sounds pretty crazy. Sounds scary. So we're in Albuquerque because Anna has a conference here. So while she's at the conference, me and the kids are just gonna kind of do, whatever, do some different activities and go see some different things. So right now, while we're waiting for her to get out for lunch, we're across the street from the hotel, and there's this cool little playground and kind of water splash pad back here. It's pretty cool. The convention center's right over there. So it's just kind of an area that's not too packed with people, and kids can come play. A bunch of homeless. That's where the homeless people hang out too, I guess. So we're headed to the Petroglyph National Monument. It's about 10 minutes. Oh, Lennon's going to sleep. Oh no. Wake up, Lennon, we're almost there.
Is he messing with us or is he for real?
I don't know. Are you gonna take a nap? No, don't take a nap. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, we are here at the visitor center. But of course, Lennon really did fall asleep. So I guess I'll just carry him up there. Okay, well, I think we're just gonna go up here and talk to the people at the visitor center and see what we want to do, what's the easiest. Lennon woke up. You had a good little quick nip nap. You had a quick power nap. Visitor center entrance this way. Visitor center entrance right here. Y'all lead the way.
Okay.
We have too many vloggers in this family. You gonna walk now?
Oh, no pets allowed. David, let me kick him.
No what?
No pets allowed.
That's a counter.
Lennon, come on. Let's go.
You gonna mess with this stuff? Come on, let's go.
That's a counter that tells how many people were here.
And
Oh,
now
you're counting all
and now
the
you've
people.
messed up the whole.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. We're going. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. There's 3 different canyons to go to, and of course we picked the easiest one. So that's where we're headed to now. Here's the map. We're gonna go do the Boca Negra Canyon. There's 3 different, he said there's 3 different trails, right, on this one?
Yeah. There's 3 different. That's where we're going right here. That's where we are, and that's where we're going.
Okay.
We just gotta drive there.
This is Mesa Point Trail.
Past this one, we're not even thinking about that. Oh, heck no. Never in a million years would I do that.
Oh, that's not too difficult, but with Elena it will be difficult.
Dad, I would be so scared. Why can't this be a flat one?
I think those are 2
What's this
trails.
one? That's what I don't know. What's this one? Right here. What's this?
Yeah. What is that? That just goes to those tables.
Still, we can walk on that.
What does it say right here? Please do not feed animals. What does the other one say?
No something. All these say like no.
Well, I think
It's a
anything we're
trail.
gonna.
It's a trail, then. I guess you just walk on that part. Let's just park here. And let's just get out and don't bring stroller.
Just stay behind London.
Just make sure you're with Lennon at all times.
You see one already? Oh,
I realize there's a rock. There's a rock on the stairs.
it fell. Well, it probably. You think it fell after they built the stairs,
He
huh?
said it failed.
That's weird. I think
Maybe they did that on
I
What do you
think
think that stands for?
Ah,
Crazy monkey?
Can you touch that?
I don't know.
No,
There's some more.
actually.
Look at those. It looks like people just drunk.
Like it looks
People
like
drinking beer.
robots.
Looks like aliens.
Aliens
It's
and robots.
aliens.
I think that one looks like a robot.
Yeah. That looks like a rocket ship
No, it looks like a
that's going
shelf.
down. That's an alien with something sticking out of his head, and that's another alien.
Looks like a robot.
Maybe the
What
Indians
do you
saw
think?
an aliens and they started freaking out, and that's
Yeah, and this is the story that they're telling.
yeah.
Check that out. That looks like some kind of animal.
Looks like a
I don't know what that is.
It's a giraffe with horns.
It's a giraffe with horns. That's what it is. Lennon said it's a giraffe with horns, and I think he's exactly right. It's exactly what it is.
I'm right here. I'm gonna take you. We're okay, buddy.
We're not even very high. I mean,
He's a fr- I
if you rolled down, you'd roll like 5 feet. You might get some thorns in you. But... So, Lennon, what do you think that is? What is that? What does that look like to you?
Looks like a chef.
It is a pointy agrodon.
A pointy what?
It's a pointy agrodon.
Okay, that's a different language.
Hey, Len. I mean, Dad. Just take my photo up here.
Sure, check it out. Check it out. Look,
That is so pretty.
it's cool, huh?
Let's take a photo of me.
So this is really a small trail. I mean, it's just right here, pretty much. And there's not a lot of petroglyphs here. I think we saw them all. I think this is the whole thing.
But but they want to go back.
Okay, we'll go to that other trail over there.
That.
So the girls are headed up the hill. They're gonna get as far as they can get before they get scared, and if they get scared, they'll come back down. Maybe they'll make it to the top. Who knows? Let's see what they decide. Are they gonna keep going, or are they gonna come down? What do you think they're gonna do, Lenny Lou? Are they gonna keep going, or are they gonna come down? They're talking to those people. Okay. We'll see. Well, I guess that's as high as they're gonna go. They're on their way back down.
We went like
Look, it looks like it's a giant rat lizard licking a lollipop. I guess we just keep going and we don't look down, huh? So this must represent the very tip top. Somebody just built this. Look, they just stacked some rocks up there. Oh no! There we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like from the top. Houses over there. Oh my God.
Scary.
Well, on the way down, we couldn't figure out how to get down.
Because it was
That's what I was afraid about. That's
We
what I
get
was
so
afraid.
high, and we're like, oh no, which way do we go?
I said it multiple times in my video. I'm fine going up, but going down is what I was afraid of. So I kept making sure I could go down where we were going up.
And what's
I
bad
wish
is
I wore a color that was more pop, like red. If I wore red, you would be able to see that. If I wore my blue thing, like Ava, you can see yours. You can't see as much.
what's bad is we didn't even look at any of the petroglyphs on the way up there or the way down. We just went to the top and came.
I know.
Our mission was to get to the top
I know. That's
and
what
get
we
down.
do.
Man, all right. I need some water.
Yeah.
I don't know how they took that little kid to the top.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy.
Yeah, there's like a little 2-year-old.
Anyway, that was pretty cool. You could have gone to the top. I'm so afraid if you and Haley, I mean,
Ava, and we got stuck.
if you and
Ava?
Ava, when I went up there and got stuck, you know, it might have freaked out. Because I actually, for a split second, was like, oh crap, how do we get down?
I bet you there's people that get stuck up there.
Well, I was going like this. I was waving at you, and I realized that there are park rangers parked over there, and I was thinking, I hope he doesn't think we're like waving at him because we need help. Let me get some water. So I thought I was finished vlogging for today, but I pretty much am. But I want to show you this restaurant. It's called Brixton's, and what's cool is the menu is on the iPad, which I've never seen before. And in the middle of the table, you open it up, and there's like a cooler with ice down in there. So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, that's it.